If you're here illegally, you don't have rights. I see that comment all the time. Like, the Constitution is some kind of membership card, and once you're not a citizen, the protections just vanish. But that's not how the Constitution is written. The parts that matter most, the ones that say what the government can and can't do to people, don't say citizen. They say person. The Fifth Amendment says, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of law. The 14th Amendment says states can't deny any person the equal protection of the laws. Not citizens, persons. That wasn't an accident. It was written that way to limit government power, especially when that power is being used to punish or detain someone. And over the years, the Supreme Court has said exactly that. In Yick Wo v. Hopkins, the court ruled that the 14th Amendment protects all persons in the United States, regardless of nationality or immigration status. In Wong Wing, the court said non-citizens couldn't be sentenced to hard labor for immigration violation without a full criminal trial. Those Fifth and Sixth Amendment protections still apply. In Plyler v. Doe, the court blocked Texas from denying public school to undocumented kids because even those kids are persons within the jurisdiction under the Constitution. And in Zadvydas v. Davis, the court ruled the government couldn't hold someone inside the U.S. in immigration detention forever. The justices interpreted the law narrowly because they recognized that all persons here, even without legal status, are protected by due process. Now, there are some real limits. Only citizens can vote in federal elections. Certain jobs tied to democratic self-government, like police officers or policymakers, can legally be reserved for citizens. And at the border, the government has more leeway to decide who gets in. But once someone is inside the United States, living under our laws, being governed by our systems, the Constitution doesn't just disappear. Because if we let the government decide who counts before it has to follow the rules, it's only a matter of time before that power gets turned on the rest of us. So next time someone says they don't have rights, ask them how the Fifth Amendment begins. No person shall. How would you respond if the government could decide who qualifies as a person?